Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, Jamaica took one step closer to drilling for oil. Now, United Oil and Gas had done some tests of the seabed offshore in Jamaica. The offshore, and those test results have come back and they are showing what United Oil and Gas found offshore in the Walter Morant Basin is evidence that the right conditions for oil exist. Now, for them to actually prove, to confirm that oil exists, the company must drill an exploration well and find oil in significant quantities and prove that it can be extracted economically. So before they start drilling an exploratory well, they had to do these tests to find out where, if Jamaica had oil, where it would be. And the tests have come back to show that there is the potential of oil being in Jamaica. So the next step now would be to actually drill for oil. So based on the test results, it's going to be very easy to drill for oil. If the test results had come back showing saying no oil in Jamaica, it would be extremely difficult to drill because drilling for oil is very expensive, and based on where the Walton Morant Basin is, it would be a deep water drilling site. So it's going to be expensive. So based on this, the company can now move on to the next phase. So we're going to give you an update on this. United Oil and Gas has identified signs of possible oil and gas activity offshore Jamaica, pointing to what it describes as an active petroleum system in the country. The findings come from piston core samples collected during a seabed geochemical exploration survey in the Walton Morant Basin. According to the company, analysis of 42 seabed samples revealed the presence of butanes and pentanes, C4 and C5 hydrocarbons. These compounds are important because they are typically linked to thermogenic hydrocarbons, oil and gas formed deep underground under high heat and pressure. This suggests that the hydrocarbons are not just produced by shallow biological processes, but may originate from deeper, more commercially valuable sources. United Oil and Gas also noted that this discovery adds to growing evidence of petroleum potential in Jamaica, including satellite-detected oil slicks, oil seeps both onshore and offshore, and previous well data, surface rock formations linked to hydrocarbons. Additionally, petroleum system modeling indicates the presence of oil mature sources, rocks, further strengthening the case for exploration. The 2026 survey is the most advanced to date, using 3D seismic data, seabed mapping technology, and satellite analysis. These results bring the company closer to make a drilling decision. The CEO, Brian Larkin, said the results improve understanding of the license area and move the company closer to making a drilling decision. He added that the Walton Morant license could contain up to 7 million barrels of prospective resources, making it a potentially world-class asset. All right, guys, so the next step in the process is to set up an exploratory well and actually drill to confirm the presence of oil in Jamaica. All right, guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. All right, guys, have a good day.